Hello guys, welcome back to Sangeeta's educational videos. Firstly, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you will like the contents in this video. So please subscribe to my channel if not subscribed still. This video lecture is for lecture 3 assignment. This lecture is also available in Tamil. In this video, we are going to insert some of the HTML elements we have learned in the previous lecture to the solar system web page created. As you all know, there is an assignment for lecture 3. So let us open the solar system web page first. Yes, this is the web page we have created for solar system. Right click and select view page source to view the coding of the web page. So here we have already used HTML heading tags. You can see the size difference for each heading tag. So on the basis of big to small, I have sorted the heading tags for solar system, sun and the planets. This is just an example way of how to give HTML tags. You can decide your own way of designing for your web page. Regarding HTML paragraphs, we have already used that p tag for mentioning paragraphs in the web page. And now we are going to insert an image for our web page. I am going to insert an image for solar system on the top of the web page, and I am going to insert the image directly from the internet. First, let me search for solar system in Google. It will show you lots and lots of images. Let me select one. I will select this. Just select view image by right clicking the image and select the URL for that image. Copy the URL and we are going to paste it in the source attribute of image tag. Give the image tag as the first line inside the body tag so that it will display on the top of the page. And I suppose you all remember the other attributes for image tag. Nothing but alternative text, height and width. Just save the file and refresh the web page. Yes, now the image has been inserted on the top of the page, but the image size is not looking great. So to make it more perfect, I am going to give the width attribute as 100%. Save and refresh. Yes, now picture perfect. You can also give any value for height attribute. Save and refresh every time making changes. Now you can also insert images for sun and other planets in the same way. Search for the image first. View the image, select any one image, go to the image and copy the URL and paste it in the source attribute of image tag. So here I am going to give the image tag on the side of the sun heading tag. And to make it look small, don't forget to give the height and width of the image. Save the file and refresh the web page. Yes, now the image is displaying below the heading. I want to display to the side of the heading. For that, just give the image tag inside the heading tag. Yes, that's all. Now save and refresh. Yes. In the same way, you can insert images for all the other planets. You can either save the images in your laptop or use it as your image source, or you can directly give the image URL. Next step is we are going to insert a link tag in the web page. I am going to use the heading itself as a link. So for this, you have to give the link tag here. And we have to give an URL for this href attribute. Just search for solar system in Google. Yes, it will show you a lot of informations, and I'm going to use the Wikipedia page for solar system. Copy the URL and paste it in href attribute. Save and refresh the page. Yes, now the heading solar system is a link. Once you click this, the page will redirect you to Wikipedia page for solar system. Here you can also create your own page for the solar system link. Just provide the proper address in the href attribute. Same like this, you can create link for all the other headings. It's your own wish to give the link wherever you want to. The main thing is you have to insert the links in your web page. That's all for this video lecture. Let me meet you all in my next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and follow my Facebook page. My YouTube channel and Facebook page name is Sangeeta's Educational Videos. Thank you guys. We'll connect with you all in my next lecture. Bye bye.